All times. Touch gloves, go back to your corner and wait for the bell.
You know, back in the day.
Oh, he was tagged there. Juarez got through with a right hand early.
And again.
And Chop now knows it's time to go.
There you go.
As soon as he gets nailed, this guy, he's going to go, I'm telling you.
Break. Step back. Stop. Take break back.
An eventful opening.
I think midway in the 72 mark.
Lucana, the man.
His head is held very high, isn't it, Paul? Sonny Bill, he's got good timing, fast reflexes, but, you know, I mean, let's be realistic, you know, when he fights someone that...
Hogan down onto his knees. And the count is on. 5, 6, 7, 8.
He's had enough.
9.
It's all over.
It is over. Sonny Bill Williams victorious. Ryan Hogan respectfully didn't want to be there.